Hey everyone, hello and again welcome back to our channel, and as usual today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can create an artist account on your Spotify. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and do share this video with the people that genuinely are kind of people that are supposed to be an artist and their music deserves to be on people's playlist. So yeah, let's get started with our video. So first of all, you will go to your Play Store or on your phone's App Store, then simply search Spotify for artists. Then you will see this particular app. So why we're searching that is because you cannot create an artist account on your existing Spotify app what you use to listen your music. So you have to download this particular Spotify for artist app to create an artist account. So you will just tap on this open option, then you will simply tap on this get started option, and then you can just tap on this option called login and type in your email address, and then simply tap on this option called login. Once you're successfully logged in, then you will just tap on this claim option, and finally you will have this particular page open where you will just tap on this continue option. But before that, because it says claim an artist profile, if you already have music on Spotify, you can get access to stats, page tracks, to our editors and more. And you can choose another option called music not yet live on Spotify also if you do not have your music on Spotify yet. So you can simply tap on this option called continue. Once you're done with that, then you will have again this reconfirmation, and then you can simply tap on this option called next, tap on it, and here you can search and you can only claim up one profile. And before getting access to that, you have to claim that particular profile. Just you will select that particular name, and then you will get this page. Then you will just tap on the CR preferred and recommended distributors. They will recommend you distributors, then you will just get in contact with them, talk, and then you can finally claim your name and claim your artist account on your Spotify. So yeah, this is it for today's video, and this is the process for claiming your artist account on your Spotify app. Thank you so much for watching our video till the end, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.